Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to this video in the Rotary Tool series. And you may notice that I am holding up a piece of wood here. And this is a piece of oak flooring. And it has paint on one side here. So I'm going to show you something hopefully that you'll be able to use. And this will be a good little tip that you can use almost anywhere around your house. So what am I talking about? I'll show you. But in the meantime, if you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment in the section below or shoot me an email at scrollsoftvideo@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Okay, what we have here are two genuine Dremel parts. This is the Easy Lock, and this is a sanding abrasive wheel. Now these two will connect together and go into the rotary tool. And this might be hard to see, but it is spring loaded. Let's see here. Let me get that to focus in. This pulls back, and this just fits on the tip here. Pretty self-explanatory when you see it in person. Or if you watch another one of my videos, I'll explain this better. But we're going to use this, and this is the piece of wood that I have. This old piece of oak flooring. So this is going to be perfect for a tutorial for this project. So I'm going to get this loaded up on the tool and let's get started on this. On this video we're going to be using the Hyper Tough rotary tool. This is sold by Walmart. I'd encourage you to watch my review on this tool. It's a decent little tool for under 20 bucks. Nothing like a Dremel, but if you're only going to use a rotary tool every few months or so, or just maybe one or two projects, I'll suggest you checking this one out. So this is connected here is the sanding abrasive disc, different from the other ones that we have. Let's see here. Here's a close-up picture of it. And what we're going to do, we're going to sand off the paint that's down in these grooves. Now you could think of this as your window sill or other parts of your house that a Dremel, or not Dremel, but any kind of sanding drum will not fit into. So we're just going to use this to, I'm going to remove a section of this paint right here off this piece of wood. So let me go ahead and plug this tool in. There we go. On and off switch right here is on the bottom of this tool. I'm going to turn that on. Now this is on number 1. I'm going to turn it up to 3. Down in each crevice. I'm sanding off the paint in the center. Very efficient tool and accessory. Let's turn this a little bit higher here. Let's come on this side. Take some off the top one right here. So I'm sure you see the point of this. If you look down in the grooves here next to this little step right here, the paint is off here, off of there. I'm sure you'll find lots of uses in this around your home, especially around windowsills. So I encourage you to check out this accessory for the rotary tools, and I will have a part number listed below right here. Got any questions or concerns? Please shoot me an email or leave a comment in the section below, and I do appreciate you watching.